We turned up in the party going crazy. Turning up in the party going crazy. We turned up in the party going crazy. Got all my niggas feeling kinda hazy.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a purse collection part 4. The previous parts I'll put in the description below. That'll be part 1, 2, and 3. Those will all be available in the description below if y'all want to check those out. Today I only have 3 purses to be showing y'all. I think it's been like a month since I did my part 3 purse collection, so I only got a couple purses since then. But yeah, I got 3 purses that I have been wanting to, like, you know, go more in depth with y'all. I know y'all probably seen them on my Instagram. You can follow me on my Instagram, AfroPuffJada, and yeah, you can see the type of stuff I'll be doing with the purses. But yeah, let's get right into it. The first purse is this seafood boil type purse. Let me go closer so y'all can see. Yeah, this is I call it my seafood boil type purse. And I really just, the concept of this purse came from my Hooters outfit, because you know Hooters outfits is like orange and white, so I needed like a purse to go with that, and I couldn't find any purse. So I was like, the only type of food that I could think of that was orange was crab and like shrimp. So I was like, let's go with that. So that's when I got like the fake crabs, the oysters, and the fake lemons and stuff, because you know you need your lemons for your seafood boil. And I just put it on the purse. And I know everybody say Hooters doesn't sell seafood, Hooters doesn't sell seafood. I know they don't, but I did get some DMs saying that where people actually worked at Hooters, and they were saying that they do have seafood at some locations, so I guess they do. But the reason why I didn't do like party wings or anything like that, because I had just did the chicken purse, so it was kind of like it didn't make sense for me to make another chicken purse, and I had already did one. So that's where I got this concept from. And plus I wanted something different. Like, this is an actual plate, yes, I wanted something different, and I was like, okay, thought of this, and I'm like, let me try to bring this together. But yeah, I'll attach the pictures on the screen so y'all can know like what I'm referring to. But yeah, all the pictures are on my Instagram page, AfroPuffJada. Yeah, so follow me there. But yeah, that's how this purse came about. The next purse we have here is this Barbie Car Purse. I just used this purse recently in my last Instagram post on Sunday. This was a part of my Halloween costume. It's like a little Barbie Corvette. And I put my Barbie doll in it. Let me give y'all a close up on her. I tried to do her hair. And I picked out her outfit. She didn't come with this outfit, so I had to, like, y'all know, get her together and get her some matching balls going on. See, yeah, I did her hair and everything. But yeah, this was a part of my Halloween costume. And yes, this is an actual Barbie Corvette car. And I put a purse strap on it. Wait, let me get my strap together because it don't want to act right. I put an actual strap on it. And I was like, this will go great with my Halloween costume, because I was being Barbie for Halloween. And I already had the Barbie box and the Barbie outfit. And I even got the Barbie shoes right here. Y'all really like these shoes. I really like the laces on these shoes. But yeah, I just needed something like a purse, over a top purse. Well, it's not too over the top, but it does what needs to be done. So I was like, okay. I was online at Walmart and I seen this Barbie Corvette, and I was like, this is the purse I need, because I was looking everywhere for like a Barbie type purse and I couldn't find any. So I figured this car would be perfect for it. And like, she actually got like steering wheel, everything. But yeah, and even the rims, license plate. But yeah, it worked really well. I just added a purse strap to it. And this is one of my purses, because I know you always love to say, oh, you can't put anything in it. She's sitting there, you can't put stuff in it. It might fall out, but you can put some things in it. But yeah, this is just how that concept came about. It was just, you couldn't think of anything better to go with a Barbie outfit and a Barbie box. Yeah, so this is what I came up for that. And yeah, this is just like a little Barbie car purse. Yeah. And the next purse, y'all already should know, this is the final purse. This is like This is my TV purse. Yes, this is an actual TV. Like, yeah, actual TV. You can see the back of it. Like, it's an actual TV. Like, I know a lot of people were saying, oh, it's a fake TV, it's a fake TV. No, it's a real TV. It's a real TV. Like, I don't know where you can get a fake TV from. I know it's probably possible to go get one, but I don't know where you would get it from. But it's a real TV. It's one of my old TVs that I had sitting around, and I was like, I should make that into a purse. And how I came about was I had originally thought about this, like creating a, I'm sorry, I had to sit it down because the TV is heavy. I originally thought about it months ago because I had seen these like shoes on like Instagram. They were like some Nike Air Force Ones, and they were like, they looked like the TV static. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Like, y'all know when the TV stopped working and like the static appears on the TV? And I was like, if I can get a TV purse to go with that, that'd be bomb. So I originally had that idea. So I had been thinking about this idea. I always tell y'all for months, like, I be having ideas and I won't put them out yet, and they just be stored up like in my head, or you know, yeah, just until I like bring them to the like earth's surface, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, and then I put it on the back burner. I really didn't think too much of it. I was like, oh, I'll get to it one day, because I hadn't even ordered the shoes yet. I was just like, okay, I gotta think about outfit and everything. So then I received these shorts, and I was like, okay. I received these Simpsons shorts from the Material on Instagram. Follow them and check them out, and I'll put a link below of their Instagram and their website so y'all can purchase these. Go copy y'all some. These are bomb, I'm telling y'all. Yeah, but I received these shorts in the mail, and I was like, okay, I need a purse to go with this. So I'm like, I was originally thinking of like getting like a Simpsons plush toy and like just holding on to that, and I just thought about it. And y'all know, like, y'all know I really don't watch TV that much. So I was like, I asked my mom, I was like, isn't The Simpsons a TV show? And when she said yeah, that's how I got the ball rolling. I was like, it's nothing better than having a Simpsons TV type of purse, because it's an actual TV purse rather than me doing the static on it. So I was like, okay. But I'm like, how am I gonna get the image on there? So I'm like, y'all know me, I created like a little, like I created this little, I don't know what you call it, like photo, and I like laminated and everything, and like literally stuck it to the TV. But yeah, literally stuck it to the TV. And you can see I put, I don't know if y'all can see in the pictures, but I put The Simpsons featuring AfroPuffJada. But yeah, that's just one of the little details. I don't know if y'all can really like see it in the pictures, but yeah. And I also made these shoes to go with it. As y'all know, I use these in my Hooters outfit, because I was like, I need some shoes to match this, and I couldn't like find any online that'll come in time. So I was like, I'm gonna create my own. And this is what I came up with. And my shoe strings are actual yarn. These are just stickers, y'all. Stickers that I cut out and put on there. I tried to do something, you know, like to just pull it together, and that really brought it together. You can check that picture out on my Instagram, AfroPuffJada. But yeah, that's how I came up with that concept. And I was like, I think that'd be pretty dope to make like a Simpsons TV type purse. Yeah, because y'all know I'm always looking for like them wild type of purses, and I was like, yeah. It just came to me, and I was like, I gotta do it. The TV was just sitting there, and it was like, use me. So that's when I decided to like put a purse strap on it and use it. And I'm gonna actually plug this TV up so y'all can see that it works. And I know y'all seen my TikTok where I'm like, I got bored and I decided to turn my TV into a purse. Yes, I got bored and I decided to turn my TV into a purse. Yes. And if you stand there long enough, I might turn you into one. So just always be on the move. And I didn't take the TV stand off because this TV is heavy. I need to sit it somewhere. So everybody said like, oh, it looks weird with the stand. This TV got to sit down at some point, honey, because you could tell I'm out of breath. This TV is heavy. But yeah, this is an actual plug back here. Everybody keep asking like, how big is it? I don't know how big it is. Everybody said 32 inch. So I don't know really much about TV, so I don't know. So but everybody's saying it's a 32 inch. And I had got this TV years ago, so I don't remember. I don't remember none of that. But yeah, everybody says it's 32 inches, so let's just go with that. I don't know even know if it still come on or not. Let's see. I don't know if y'all can see the red light on. Hit the on button. See, it comes on its actual TV. And yes, it's cracked. It's cracked. I just still had it sitting around in my house. So I'm like, I'm gonna make use of it. And I made use of it. But yeah, it comes on. As you can see, the blue screen. Got buttons. Plugged up. But yeah, it works. It's just got a cracked TV screen. So I guess once I get like the TV screen replaced, it would be a functional TV. But yeah, let me know what y'all think about my TV purse, and yeah, just let me know y'all thoughts on it. And let me know what y'all, these 3 purses is your favorite. I would have to say mine. I'm a real seafood lover, so I want to go with like the crab plate, and then pink is my favorite color, so I want to go with the Barbie car. But I feel like the TV is just epic, so I would have to go with this TV purse. But yeah, see, still on. Half of the screen is on, I guess. You can see the cracks, but I don't know if y'all could. I forgot how I cracked. Oh, I had put it. That's what happened. The reason it's cracked because I got a new TV and I put this one in my closet, and I'm thinking like it was gonna be safe, but I guess it wasn't. And one day I just decided to plug it up. Oh, I think I'm cracking it more. Decided to plug it up, and it was just cracked. Yeah, and I was devastated. But yeah, I did get to make good use of it with making it a purse. Yeah, and I know y'all seen this everywhere because it's getting posted everywhere on all like the little Instagram pages and everything. Yeah, and thank y'all for the repost with this TV. But yeah, that's how that came about. I almost forgot to show y'all, I also had like this little remote to go like with the TV. I ordered this off of Amazon because, you know, if you got a TV, you're gonna need a remote so like you can turn like the channels and everything. Yeah, this remote does make noise and all that. I know some of y'all didn't notice the remote, but most of y'all did. And y'all was saying, oh, do y'all see the remote? Y'all see the remote? But yeah, I did have a remote. And yeah, let me know which purse is your favorite in the comments below. And yeah, this was purse collection part 4. I only had 3 purses. So for part 5, I'm gonna try to have some more for y'all. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok, AfroPuffJada. And yeah, we out.